Hi and welcome to this new video. I just strapped my skis on and have roughly 1,000 vertical meters ahead of me. I'm planning to sleep on a little mountain about 2,300 meters above sea level. The temperatures for the night are expected around like -10, -11, maybe -12 degrees Celsius, and that's why I have my big backpack with 2 sleeping bags, because last time I was a bit cold during the night and I want to have it warm, of course, so that's why I have the big one filled to the top. So I'm a few hundred meters in and I'm slowly leaving the trees behind, but also the sun starting to set behind the mountains, and I think I got like an hour ahead of me, so that means probably I'm gonna need my headlamp for the last bit. Also, some parts of this trail are pretty steep. It's a trail, by the way, of the official map for ski touring here in Switzerland, which I thought was gonna be the most convenient, but it turns out, like I said, some parts of this trail are pretty steep, so I had to take a bit of a different route. But that's fine, now I'm back on the trail and just took a quick break, and now let's continue. Oh man, I hate these kind of passages where you have to kind of squeeze your way through the trees. So annoying. Especially with that big, heavy backpack. I'm always getting stuck in some branches. Can't do anything about it. Need to go this way. Now it's slowly but surely getting colder. Had to take out my gloves. Earlier I said I was leaving the trees behind, but I'm not even close to the tree line. So stupid. But at least now there's a bit less trees, and that means I'm not always in the shade. It's not that cold. At least for now. Sun is disappearing behind there. Oh man, it's beautiful. By the way, it's Christmas. Today is the 25th of December, and I couldn't wish for a better Christmas than spending the time up here in this beautiful nature. Of course, I spent some time yesterday with my family. And now the sun is gone. And it immediately got colder. A lot colder. I think when I started the tour it was around -3. And now it's probably something like around -6 degrees Celsius. So I gotta keep moving. Now it's getting a bit exhausting, but I'm glad that there's already some tracks in the snow. Because if there wasn't, it would be even more exhausting. It's pretty steep now, but it's fun. I'm happy to be out here doing this kind of stuff. So nice. So it just got a lot darker. Got my headlamp mounted. And now it's also a lot colder. My fingers are frozen. I still have like 200 to 300 meters of elevation to go. But look at this view. And I'm going all the way up there to that power line and underneath it, and then there's the top of that hill. This is where I want to set up my tent. Yes, I finally made it to the top, and I'm super exhausted. It was pretty heavy in the end and not that easy to stay on the trail, but yeah, now I'm up and I'm super happy. Now I'm gonna set up the tent and change my wet clothes for some dry ones, and then I need to eat something. So I just set everything up for the night, and now I'm gonna cook some pasta, and I have some bread and cheese as well. And yeah, it's pretty cold outside, and I'm happy I brought 2 sleeping bags, because I think one would not have been enough for these temperatures. But with the 2 I have now, I think I'm gonna be fine. It's already a lot warmer also in the tent than outside. I just finished eating and now I'm gonna make myself a warm bottle to put in the sleeping bag, because right now my feet are still a bit cold, and I hope it gets better once the warm bottle is in there. And afterwards I'm gonna head to bed and see you tomorrow. The conditions last night were perfect for sleeping outside. It was only a bit windy in the morning, but that's normal. And I was pretty warm in my sleeping bag. Glad I took both with me though. But somehow I just didn't get that much sleep because I had a headache and there was a huge bump right underneath the mat. So yeah, I didn't sleep that much. But this morning so far has just been beautiful. There's no wind. It got a lot warmer, obviously, since the sun is out, and almost no clouds in the sky. And now I think I'm gonna pack all of my stuff and then head back down.
Right up to your mind. Your heart's in a like vibration. Together we're fine. You're right there. You already know. When our dreams get in the way, I'll figure out why. And when the season starts to change, I'll let it inside.
So that was it, and I'm back now. The ride down wasn't the best. The snow was already very dense and has already molten a bit. Obviously because it was already like 12 o'clock and the sun was shining for 4 hours. But it was nice anyways, and if you want to join me on my next adventures, tomorrow I'm leaving towards southern France together with my girlfriend. If you want to join us, then maybe subscribe, or I'll see you in the next one. Bye.